Here's this billion-dollar company, multi-million-dollar company behind you, and you're representing all of the hard work of all those people to the world. Let's talk about modern sales positions. Today, the companies are creating all kinds of different organizations and positions in order to better satisfy their clients, their customers, and their prospects. So if we think again about the sales funnel, what we have is normally within sales, those operating here at the top of the funnel, we call them sales development reps, or SDRs. That's a new position that is taking the country by storm. Within SDR, there are two kinds. That is, there are BDR, business development reps, and ADRs, account development reps. Generally speaking, business development reps handle inbound business. That is business that's being brought to them by digital marketing techniques. Whereas account development reps are normally outbound. That is, they are going after the prospects, the clients. Deeper in the funnel, we normally have account executives, or AEs. Here, once they're customers, we normally see account managers. In fact, you know it's account manager if they're reporting to sales. If they're reporting to services or implementation, then normally what we would call them is customer success, okay? So those are two slightly different positions. One's reporting to sales, one not. All of these are generally called sales representatives. Why? They represent the company to the world. And that's think about it. Here's this billion-dollar company, multi-million-dollar company behind you, and you're representing all of the hard work of all those people to the world. And then, of course, there's sales management. So, question for you. Where are you today, and what's your long-term aspirations?